Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows 10. In order to update your Windows, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and in Settings, select Update and Security section. Make sure that you have Windows Update selected and click Check for Updates. And see if your device finds any updates for you to install. Additionally, you can go to View Optional Updates and check for driver updates and also some beta tests. To download and install driver updates, you have to select the drivers that you want to install, then click Download and Install and wait until they are downloaded and installed on your computer. Now, after the updates are downloaded and installed, you may have to restart your computer. In such case, you're gonna see the Restart Now icon right here, but you can also do this by simply opening the Start menu, going to Power Options and selecting Restart. And that's how you update your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.